One tip related to remote work for unmarked men out of a brain you bring to work. Is the job you are interviewing for is going to fully remote? Be sure ask a specific about how remote employees are onboarded and integrated to the company culture. Another critical element of the job you want to understand is what your growth and career development will look like. You need to be sure you can see yourself in the role that you're currently applying for, but also you can see your future for yourself in the organization. Here are some questions that get career paths and development opportunities. Number 29. What learning and development opportunities will I have in this role? 30. How does the team I will be part of continue to grow professionally? 31. Are there examples of career paths beginning with this position? 32. What are common career paths in this department? 33. How are promotions typically handled? 34. What have successful employees moved on to?